What's up everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at SVE's Mach 1 style Grille Delete kit and how it can be a great upgrade for 1999 to 2004 V6 and GT cars, as well as a perfect restoration item for 2003 and 2004 Mach 1s. So let's get right into it. The 2003 and 2004 Mach 1 Mustang had several unique components, and one of those was the Grille Delete. Throughout the years, the Mach 1 Grille Delete has been a very popular upgrade for V6 and GT Mustang owners, as not only does it add great aesthetics, it omits the factory honeycomb grille from those cars. The Mach 1 style Grille Delete kit I have here today is from SVE. This is a great upgrade for 99 to 04 V6 and GT models and a perfect restoration item for someone restoring a tired or neglected 03-04 Mach 1. This kit features a high quality Grille Delete panel made from OE grade plastic, which includes the 2 push pins that retain the delete panel to the bumper pillars and 4 push lock retainers that secure it to the front bumper. This panel features the factory style grain and texture. Along with the delete panel will be a correct filler panel that fills the void between the bumper and header panel and completes the look of the Grille Delete. This particular piece features the correct textured black plastic, and it's made from Ford original tooling. Depending on the kit you choose, you can currently purchase this Grille Delete kit with either a chrome or black running pony emblem. Of course, the chrome running pony is factory correct, but the black pony will add some great looks depending on the overall theme of your car. Each emblem includes the correct torque screws to secure the emblem in place. In the box will be 1 delete panel, 1 filler panel, a running pony emblem, and the associated hardware to properly secure the included components. This kit will fit 1999 to 2004 V6 and GT Mustangs and 2003 and 2004 Mach 1 Mustangs with the factory style front bumper that was equipped on the V6, GT, and Mach 1 trim levels. This Mach 1 style Grille Delete kit will not work with 9901 or 03-04 Cobra front bumpers. Now before we jump into the installation steps, I would like to point out a few things that I've seen over the years when installing this Mach 1 style Grille Delete kit. The first one is the foam impact absorber. Depending on the history of the car, this may or may not be intact. If it isn't, of course I recommend you get one, but if it isn't on the car, installation of this kit is pretty easy to do because all you have to do is reach up underneath the bumper to access the delete panel hardware. If the impact absorber is in place, I would recommend that you spend about 15 minutes and remove the front bumper from the car to do this the right way. Plus, it's going to give you the ability to look everything over behind the front bumper, and if you're like me, you can go crazy on cleaning and wiping all the things down. We do have a dedicated video on front bumper removal for a new Edge Mustang, so check that one out down in the description if it's needed. The other topic for discussion is the screw holes in the header panel. Again, depending on the history of the car, could dictate the condition of the screw holes for the emblem. I've seen where these holes have been enlarged from improper hardware, so if you find yourself in that situation, you'll either have to reuse the hardware that was removed or you'll have to source some hardware that works. All right, so enough of me rambling. Let's move on to the installation procedure. Start by doing the obvious. Pop your hood and support it via the prop rod. Loosen the 6 Phillips head retainers, securing the bumper pillars and grille to the header panel. Just so you're aware, these can be a little tricky. It may help if you hold the base of the retainer while loosening the plastic screw. Once loosened, remove the push pins and set them aside. Removing the headlights helps out tremendously with this install. Simply pull up to remove the 2 metal headlight retainers. Carefully pull the light forward, disconnect the electrical connections, and then set the light aside. Of course, do the same for the other side. Now, if you don't want to fully remove the front bumper, carefully rotate the bumper forward to expose the 4 7mm screws securing the grille to the bumper. Loosen and remove all 4 screws. Now you can remove the grille from the car. Take this time to thoroughly clean the area. To remove the filler panel, dislodge the 2 push pins on each side. Remove it from the car and wipe down the area. Install a push pin into each hole on the new filler panel. Position the new panel into place and secure it to the header panel. Install the provided Phillips head push pins. Align the 4 tabs on the Grille Delete panel with the holes in the bumper. If the impact absorber is on the car and you didn't remove the bumper, carefully rotate the bumper forward and press on the retainers. If you remove the bumper, well, you got all the room in the world to install the push lock retainers. And finally, if the foam impact absorber is not on the car, press on the push lock retainers from underneath the car or through the opening in the bumper. Whichever method you choose, use an appropriate size socket to fully seat the retainers and secure the delete panel to the bumper. Reinstall the front bumper and the headlights if you remove them for installation. Align the holes with the bumper pillar and header panel. Install the included Phillips head push pins. Now, using the provided torque screws, secure the emblem to the header panel. Close the hood, and then you're good to go. So all right, people, wrapping things up here, this Mach 1 style Grille Delete kit from SVE, no doubt about it, is a great first mod for 99 to 04 V6 and GT cars, or even those cars that may already have a Mach 1 Grille Delete and you're refreshing what's already there. It's perfect. And of course, if you have a 2003 and 2004 Mach 1, well, here you go. This kit is perfect for restoring that tired or neglected Mach 1 as well. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything you saw in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more new Edge content, and make sure you have those notifications turned on. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until we catch you guys in the next one, you know what to do. For all things new Edge Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.